Best chocolate cake. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of hot coffee. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. This is what the cake mix looks like. It's one of the mixes we made up on my channel. Best chocolate cake. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of hot coffee. You can bake it in a 9 by 13 baking dish at 350 for 30 minutes. Okay, we're going to start getting our pans ready, and then we're going to put it in the oven. Here's our cake pans, and they're getting ready to go in the oven. Cakes are done, so we got to let them cool off, and then we'll be right back. See if you can you see it in the camera?
Hold it down low. There you can.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tawynia. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, baby. Big 53. Yeah. Yay.